Hi, excuse me. Do you work here?
Yes, I do. Are you new?
Yes, it's my first day.
Welcome to the team. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm Mark.
Nice to meet you too, Mark. Do you need help?
Yes, please. I don't know where the meeting room is.
The meeting room? It's on the second floor.
Oh, I see. How do I get there?
Take the stairs or the elevator. Turn left, and it's the first door.
Thank you. That's very helpful.
No problem. Are you going to a team meeting?
Yes, I think so. It starts at 10.
You're right. It starts at 10 o'clock. You still have time.
Great. I was worried I'd be late. Also, can you help me with my computer?
Sure. What's the problem?
I can't log in. My password doesn't work.
Did you use capital letters?
Oh, maybe not. Let me try again.
Go ahead.
Yes, it works now. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It happens to everyone.
And, sorry, one more question.
Of course. Ask me.
Where is the kitchen?
The kitchen is next to the printer room.
Next to the printer room?
Yes. Go straight, then turn right. You'll see it.
Perfect. I want some coffee.
Good idea. The coffee is free here.
Really? That's nice.
Do you need help with anything else?
No, I think that's all. You've helped me a lot.
Anytime, Mark. If you have questions, just ask.
Thank you, Anna. You're very kind.
No problem. Welcome again, and good luck on your first day.
Thanks. See you later.
See ya.